Conditional statements are like if-then rules that help us make decisions. They tell us what to do based on what is happening. It's like a game where you follow different paths depending on the choices you make. There are different types of conditional statements. First, we have if statements. These happen only if a certain condition is true. For example, if it is raining, then take an umbrella. Next, we have if-else statements. These give two choices, one if the condition is true, and another if it is false. For instance, if you finish your homework, then you can play video games. Else, you have to keep working. Then, there are else-if statements. These check for more than one condition. For example, if it is sunny, wear sunglasses. Else if it is cold, wear a jacket. Else, just wear normal clothes. Finally, we have switch statements, which are often used in programming. These help pick from many choices. For example, if today is Monday, go to soccer practice. If it is Tuesday, go to music class. If it is Wednesday, do karate. Let's look at some everyday examples of conditional statements. At home, if the alarm rings, then wake up. At school, if you are on mute, no one can hear you talking. When shopping, if an item is on sale and you need it, then buy it. In cooking, if you are hungry for Italian food, eat spaghetti, else don't eat. And finally, traffic lights. If the light is green, then go. Else if the light is yellow, slow down, else stop. How conditional statements are used in programming. Computers use conditional statements to make decisions just like we do. Programmers write these rules to tell computers what to do in different situations. Conditional statements help computers run games, websites, and apps by deciding what should happen next. Why are conditional statements important in computer programming? First, they help computers react to different situations. For example, a game character moves left if the player presses the left arrow key and right if the right arrow key is pressed. Second, they make programs more useful and interactive. For example, a website can show a good morning message if it's before noon and good evening if it's later in the day. Third, they allow programs to solve problems. For example, a calculator uses conditional statements to check what button you pressed and then does the right math operation. Fourth, they make apps and websites smarter. For example, an online store shows a discount if you enter a coupon code. Finally, they keep programs running smoothly. For example, a car's self-driving system uses conditions like, if an object is detected ahead, then stop. Without conditional statements, computers wouldn't know what to do in different situations. They help programs work correctly, make choices, and respond to users in real time. In conclusion, conditional statements are very important in programming because they help computers make decisions. Without them, programs would just run the same way every time, no matter what happens. How will you use conditional statements in your app?